Hi, welcome to Biorev Scoop and welcome to 7 Days 7 Tips series. Friends, in this series, we will share 7 tips on digital marketing on 7 consecutive days. And we are sure that you did not know about these tips. So, what are we waiting for? Please like and share this video and do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any of the videos that we are sharing here at Biorev Scoop. So let's put on our learning caps and let's get started. Day 4, tip number 4, and the tip is 3 SEO Google algorithms that are still relevant in 2020. Friends, this topic is a bit technical, but it's always good to know what Google wants. After all, our SEO efforts are going to be ranked on Google. Isn't that true? So let's have a quick look at 3 SEO Google algorithms which were released earlier but are still valid in 2020. Google Florida Update. Google Florida Update was released in the year 2003 that revolutionized the way websites were ranked via filters on the keywords, and also it brought a big impact in the SEO tactics that we follow today. The Florida Update took into account that title tags and meta descriptions are an integral part of Google page indexing process. Also, it considered that the internal linking, external linking, and backlinking process would rank your website much higher as compared to those websites which were not following this. Google Panda Update. The Google Panda Update was released in the year 2011, which took the Florida Update to an entirely new level. The Panda Update took into consideration the importance of long-tailed keywords, as it said that the information contained in such keywords is much more detailed, which takes the page higher in the SEO ranking. And from there, the origin of long-tailed keywords in SEO keyword research gained its importance. And friends, it is important today also. Google Penguin Update. Google Penguin Update built upon the Florida Update in terms of the link building opportunities. It clearly stated that if you have internal and external linking on your websites, that is good, but it is also required to have backlinks from other websites to your website, which would mean that you have a higher authority and a higher credibility in the eyes of Google. Though Penguin Update did not have much of an impact on the percentage of Google searches as the Panda Update, but it totally redefined the meaning and the approach to backlinking activities. So friends, I'm sure you must have been able to derive some value out of this video. Am I correct? So please like and share this video, and once again do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on any of the important videos here at Biorev Scoop. So we'll meet tomorrow once again with the next important tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep watching Biorev Scoop.